Welcome back guys to another video. So I took a trade on V100 index, a sell trade basically. So how I was able to take this trade, you can see you're moving in good profit, you're moving nicely well. I was able to see the sales on V100 index. I was able to know the market is going to sell at this point. So in today's video, we're looking into all of that. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post any video. And to my returning viewers, I really appreciate the support. Let's do more, guys. So on V100 index, basically on the 4-hour time frame, we have seen that the market has been giving us this sell-off. Market has been bearish, this that one direction, creating lower highs and lower lows. Like we got at this point, we got a high at this zone, got a high, and we got another high, basically. Got a lower high in this case, a lower high here, and we got a low here as well. Got a low here, then we got another low, a lower low, and we got another low at this point too, a lower low at this zone. So you've seen the market structure, you've seen the market direction. That's the first step in looking out for trade opportunities. Identify your market direction, where the market is headed to. So when I identified the market direction in the 4-hour time frame, I spotted my zones. I knew that the market has levels, key zones and levels, level of support and resistance. So I also had to identify it. We have this level as a resistance level. It was a support, now break below it, found resistance. You can see the market bought up in this zone. Definitely somebody took advantage of this level by buying up from here when it was a support. Now the market is trading below its support on resistance. Whenever a support level is broken, it also resistance. We've seen the market also reacting at this point in the past, as a support here, support here, support here, break below it, didn't give us a sell-off from here as a resistance, broke back inside of it, came to give us a test on it as a support. Now the market is trading below this our level. This is our level as a resistance. Yeah. So after the sell-off, we got at this point. After the sell-off, we got at this zone. The market created a new low. There was a completion of this our downward move. There was a completion of this our downtrend. So I knew that the market would be coming to test this our level of resistance basically to come give us a new low, a new high. Sorry, because we got a high at this point. Got a high here. Then we got another high at this point too. Got a high here, got another high at this point, a lower high. So I knew that the market would be headed to this level of resistance to come give us a new high formation, a new lower high formation. So I identified this level as a zone I'll be expecting the market reaction on. So I went to the lower time frame, the 1-hour time frame basically, to identify the structure on the lower time frame. I'll be needing some confirmations like reversal patterns, candlestick rejections at this zone to short this index, either a double top formation, head and shoulders pattern, an ascending channel basically. And we got a nice ascending channel at this point. You can see how the market has been moving. It has been giving us this upward direction for some time now, for days now. The market has been giving us this upward direction to contest our level of resistance. So what I did is that I identified this structure. I knew that the bulls were exhausting their buy pressure, they were giving us the buys in a sluggish way, unlike this point that we had to buy. You can see how the market moved without struggling, and you can see at this zone the structure changed. We started having bearish presence at this point. There was a struggle at this point for the market to move to the upside, which is a nice price action movement. But I still needed a pattern, a top reversal pattern at this point, either a head and shoulders pattern or a double top formation to short this index. So I went to the 15-minute time frame basically and saw that the market gave us a high at this zone. There was a high formation here and another high basically at this point. There was another high at this zone. So which is a nice reversal formation, which is the formation I was expecting, a double top formation, to indicate that there's going to be a reversal. So after I got this double top formation, I jumped with our ascending channel. My bearish confirmations were intact, were in place. I knew that yes, the bears are about to take charge of the market. So I saw the market give me this strong push to the downside on the 15-minute time frame. You can see how massive this candle is. After giving us a second leg of this our highs, creating this double top formation, we had the market push it downside strongly. With this bearish engulfing candle, you can see how massive this candle is. You can see how massive it is. It indicates that the bears has finally came into the market. Only this bearish candle covered 4 bullish candles. You can see at this point, which shows the bearish power and the bearish pressure. So I took myself on the break, like on the 5-minute time frame basically. I saw that the there was a close of a bearish engulfing candle at this point. Basically, I knew that there would be a further sell to the downside to come break this ascending channel, as well as breaking this level of support now from the distance, because we had a little level of support at this point, so the market gave us a push to the downside, a strong move. Then there was a break and close below this our level with a little retest at this point. You can see little retest the market gave before the sales continue. So I took my sales at this point. I didn't add a stop loss because I just had to stack up my sales at this point. So expecting the sell. You can see how nicely where the market has been moving after I took my sales at this point. This is just working into price action movements, understanding the nature of the market, reading the market's minds, analyzing from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame, knowing the market structure and market direction, strictly price action. So that's it, guys. I'll be closing some positions at this point because the market is or has approached the level of support at this zone. So I'll be exiting some positions, like half of the trades, and leaving a few to run up, as well as securing the trade and leaving my stop loss below my entry. So that's how I was able to take the sales on V100 index. Do it to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video for more videos like this, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Let's do more, guys. Let's do more, and do have a wonderful day.